Jungle birds sang tweet, tweet, tweet. Tiny feet danced to a happy beat. Kids looked up with big surprise. A rainbow volcano touched the skies. What's inside? They laughed with cheer. A magical rumble echoed near. The mountain shimmered red and gold. A glowing secret started to unfold. The giant volcano opened wide. Rainbow mist swirled from inside. Candy lava flowed so slow, sprinkling glitter as it glowed. Tiny dragons flapped around, making funny giggling sounds. Crystal butterflies filled the air, painting rainbows everywhere. Monkey swung with delight, tossing sparkling stars so bright. A giant ruby rolled along, singing a magical jungle song. Suddenly glowing vines appeared, leading where no one had ever steered. Happy parrots flew up high, drawing rainbows through the sky. A smiling baby phoenix flew, leaving shiny feathers blue. Then a giant crystal heart came near, beating softly, full of cheer. Inside sparkled a rainbow key, floating gently, wild and free. The key unlocked a glowing gate, opening to a world so great. A rainbow volcano kingdom shines so bright, filled with magic, joy, and light. Everyone laughed and danced around to the happiest jungle sound. TinyTotsVerse says with a cheer, subscribe for adventures